In this video, we're going to explore the best Wi-Fi extenders available on the market. Devices that can boost your coverage, eliminate those annoying weak spots, and keep every room connected. For more information and updated pricing of the products, links are in the description below. Now let's dive in and find the perfect fit for your home. Number 1. Macard Wi-Fi Booster. Say goodbye to dead zones and slow connections with a powerful Wi-Fi booster that blankets up to 9,000 square feet, penetrating thick walls, cement floors, and other barriers. This Wi-Fi booster brings ultra-stable connectivity indoors and outdoors, so you can enjoy lag-free online gaming, smooth video calls, and flawless 4K HD streaming no matter where you are in your home. Capable of connecting with over 45 devices, it ensures the entire household can stay online at high speeds without congestion. Whether you're using tablets, smart speakers, Fire Sticks, Roku, IP cameras, or whatever else comes next. Equipped with an Ethernet port for added versatility, this range extender offers interference-free, lightning-fast performance. Compliant with USA standards, it features bank-level financial security, leveraging WEP, WPA, WPA2 protocols, giving you a safe and secure connection every time. The built-in 2.4 GHz processor keeps everything running smoothly, allowing you to stay connected with confidence. Whether you need reliable Wi-Fi for work, class, or entertainment, this booster's 5-mode wireless router setup is easy to use and incredibly effective. Just bring it home, follow the directions, and say hello to whole home coverage. Number 2. TP-Link AX 3000 Wi-Fi 6 Extender. Experience expanded high-performance Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home with this advanced range extender. Designed with 4 high-performance amplifiers and external antennas, it effectively reaches hard-to-cover areas, ensuring a strong and stable signal. Powered by Wi-Fi 6 technology, it delivers ultra-fast dual-band speeds up to 3 gigabits per second, providing smoother and more reliable streaming, gaming, and downloading. Whether you're connecting smart devices, phones, or gaming consoles that are out of your main router's range, this Wi-Fi booster eliminates poor performance and weak signals, allowing all your devices to stay online with speed and efficiency. A built-in gigabit Ethernet port provides the option of wired speed and reliability anywhere in your home, ideal for gaming consoles or smart TVs. The One Mesh compatibility feature enables a seamless Wi-Fi network, so you never need to worry about switching networks or losing signal as you move around. Setup is effortless, thanks to the TP-Link Tether app, which guides you through a few simple steps to get everything running smoothly. The intelligent signal indicator helps you find the optimal location for the best coverage. Compatible with all Wi-Fi enabled devices and routers, including the latest AX models, this range extender is a versatile and powerful solution to your Wi-Fi coverage needs. Number 3. TP-Link Dual Band Wi-Fi Extender. Boost your home Wi-Fi coverage and eliminate frustrating dead zones with this powerful dual-band Wi-Fi extender. Providing up to 44% more bandwidth compared to single-band N300 extenders, it expands coverage up to 1,200 square feet and connects up to 30 devices. With speeds of up to 300 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band and 433 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band, you can enjoy lag-free connections for browsing, streaming, and gaming. Whether you're connecting smartphones, smart TVs, Fire Stick, or Google Chromecast, this Wi-Fi extender ensures reliable connectivity throughout your home. The fast Ethernet port adds versatility, allowing you to connect wired devices like game consoles or Blu-ray players, or even transform a wired connection into a wireless access point. The One Mesh technology provides seamless roaming across your home when paired with compatible routers, so your devices stay connected without interruption. Setting up is a breeze with just 2 simple taps, and the smart indicator light helps you find the optimal location for the best performance. Compatible with a range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Unix, and Linux, This Wi-Fi extender is designed to fit seamlessly into any network setup, providing reliable, expanded coverage for all your devices. Number 4. TP-Link AC1200 Wi-Fi Extender. Expand your Wi-Fi coverage effortlessly with this reliable Wi-Fi extender, capable of boosting your internet signal up to 1,500 square feet and connecting up to 30 devices. Compatible with any Wi-Fi router or access point, it ensures that your entire home stays online with stable, consistent coverage. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or browsing the web, this extender keeps your connection strong and uninterrupted. The fast Ethernet port allows you to experience wired speed and reliability, perfect for connecting your favorite devices like smart TVs, Blu-ray players, or game consoles. With access point mode, the extender's Ethernet port can also turn a wired connection into a wireless access point, adding flexibility to your network setup. The One Mesh compatibility feature creates a seamless Wi-Fi network when paired with a One Mesh router, allowing for whole home coverage without dead zones or the hassle of switching between networks as you move around. Universally compatible with all Wi-Fi enabled devices and routers, this Wi-Fi extender integrates easily into any existing network, delivering the reliability you need for work, entertainment, and everything in between. Say goodbye to spotty connections and enjoy smooth, reliable internet throughout your home. Number 5. Amazon eero 6 Wi-Fi Extender. Expand your home's Wi-Fi coverage with a Wi-Fi 6 extender that adds up to 1,500 sq. Fort of additional connectivity, making sure every corner of your home stays online without dead spots or buffering. This extender seamlessly integrates with your existing eero mesh Wi-Fi system, allowing you to add as many extenders as needed to maximize coverage. Setting it up is incredibly simple with the eero app, which walks you through each step, and it's also compatible with previous Wi-Fi generations, making it a versatile addition to your network. With true mesh technology, the extender intelligently routes traffic to minimize drop-offs and maximize reliability, so you can stream 4K videos, enjoy online gaming, and video conference with confidence. Plus, automatic updates ensure that your Wi-Fi network is always equipped with the latest features and security, keeping your connection not only fast but also safe. With support available 7 days a week, you can be sure help is always on hand if you need it. Say goodbye to connectivity frustrations and bring dependable, whole home Wi-Fi coverage that evolves to keep up with your needs.